I've decided to do this recording backwards, and I've put the unboxing at the end so you can see the glories of this watch at the beginning. The concentric rings around the minute and hour window and the seconds window are shown off in some detail here. As you can see, the minutes and hours are offset from the center, and so is the seconds hand, which is merged with the window for minutes and hours. The date is gloriously large. I can read it without my reading glasses, which I enjoy a great deal. I've never had a moon phase before, and basically I see no use in it, but there it is. So I've tried to set it to I think it was waxing gibbous phase. The back of the watch is a little psychedelic. I'm moving the light around so that you can see all the engravings. 21 karat gold on the gold inlays. The watch says 5 bar, which is 5 atmospheres or 50 meters. And from my point of view, that means it's not waterproof at all. You wouldn't want to get it wet in a rainstorm, and especially with an alligator band like this has. So enjoy the engraving on it and the light show as the light moves around, highlighting various aspects of the movement. I've ordered a Glashütte original Panomatic lunar wristwatch. I bought it used from Delray Watch Supply. I've adjusted it already to my wrist, so ordinarily it fits nicely in this box with the pillow around it, but it doesn't fit now. It doesn't fit in the box now because I've made it small, the watch small enough to fit my wrist, and when I do, it clamps the pillow down and prevents the pillow from seating properly in the box. It's a remarkably attractive watch, and I feel like I should be in a business suit, white shirt, tie, and a pocket square to do the review. It has a moon complication, and I have no idea if I've set it up correctly because the internet tells me we're in a gibbous, waxing gibbous phase of the moon, and I have no idea if that's what it should look like. I do know I have the date correct, and I can read the date without my reading glasses. I'm very happy about that. The hours and minutes are in this dial offset from center, and the seconds are marked in this smaller dial down below. I'll show close-ups later and glorify it in greater detail. The back of it has a crystal back, and it shows the glorious movement, and I'll show that too. This is not the original wristband according to the website, and it came with this blue plastic protector on it, which I'll take off when I can get the chance. I don't buy watches as an investment, and I recommend against it. If you want to know if a watch is going to go up in value, don't buy it. It won't. The watch will then go down in value. At least that's been my experience. As I said, I bought this used, and the website described it very accurately. It says it has some signs of wear, but I haven't been able to find them looking at it with my reading glasses. I just don't see it. This is not the original box that Glashütte original watches come in. it doesn't have that watch and it doesn't have the original paperwork, and that lowered the used price, which I don't care about, the paperwork in the box. If you're a collector, I think you would, but it's not anything I care about. I live in Waikiki. It comes with an alligator wristband with a deployant clasp, and I've lived here 5 or 6 years, and I've gone through about that many leather bands on other watches, and I've stopped buying leather bands. A combination of the humidity in my sweat makes them fall apart, and they come unglued. It's just a disaster on leather. So I'll be interested in seeing how long this lasts.